Welcome to another episode of Mondays with Milt. Now today I'm in our office here in our foyer, and when you walk into our office you'll see the core values that we have on the wall here. And we've got the customer focus, the value people, innovative, integrity, and quality. And with these core values, what we do is every month we have an all hands meeting where we bring all of our employees together, nearly 300 people. And we talk about the core values. We talk about a different one each time. Now, throughout any day while they're working here, we have kiosks, about 4 of these kiosks around the production floor. And you can go on the kiosk and nominate someone for one of the core values. You know, did somebody help another person with the job they were doing? Was somebody picking up trash as they were walking through the production area that wasn't theirs, but they're just going to help clean up? Are they doing a good job and going the extra mile for the customer? So that's the things we watch for. And that's what the employees watch each other for. And then if you're nominated every month, we give out a simple gift. It might be a WireCrafter ball cap or a small cooler, something like that. And then we choose or pick one particular person from every department that really stood out. That's what we do with the core values. We keep it top of mind every month at our all hands meeting. So it's not just something on the wall, it's something we work with every day. That's what we got this week on Mondays with Milt. We'll see you next week. Thank you.